You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this city in England. This is also sometimes used as a given name. So you're going to have a British English pronunciation to like the name of the city. Chester is how it's said in England. Chester, Chester. Now, as a name in the US, or the way the American say it, American pronunciation, Chester, Chester. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.